Okay, back again talking about power tools. The weather's rainy right now. This time I'm opening the gearbox of the Corolla grinder because yesterday, right after a short performance test, the tool showed some vibration and the gearbox area got unusually hot. I tried it again earlier and it was still heating up. So now I'm opening the gearbox to add some lubrication using Vaseline. Yesterday, the body temperature was normal after a few minutes of use, but the gearbox got extremely hot. That's why I'm disassembling it to add lubricant and make sure nothing serious happens to this new Corolla grinder. I haven't used it for actual work yet, only for performance testing. The performance itself was okay. You can check the previous video on this channel. It runs like most grinders, but there seemed to be an issue in the gear mechanism that caused the overheating. Maybe something was off, or maybe it's just because it's brand new. I'm not sure. Now I'm applying Vaseline, then putting everything back together and testing it by just turning it on. No cutting or sanding since it's already late. Alright friends, turns out the problem was simply a lack of lubricant. I added more Vaseline to the gears so everything moves smoothly without excessive friction and the gears rotate properly with enough lubrication. After testing, the gearbox temperature is now normal, no longer as hot as before. So yeah, the issue was just insufficient lubricant in the gearbox.